This rapid review is about the Mroinge 12-volt USB adapter. This adapter is the power source on my DRZ400S. I made a mounting plate for it and velcroed and zip tied it to the plate. And then I wired the included SAE cable back to the battery. It's about 43 inches long. I have to unplug it at the adapter when it's not in use because whenever you apply power, it's on. The unit has worked flawlessly for me for 2 years. It's been subjected to substantial vibration and shock, but no significant water. It powers my helmet cam on the side and my navigation phone. I would recommend it and buy it again. A link for this adapter is in the description. So, have a good day.